Hello students, in this video we are going to calculate the area of triangles on a rectangular coordinates plane. So actually we are very familiar with how to find the area of triangle. It is base times height divided by 2. The height must be perpendicular to the base, and there is a 90-degree indicate here to show their relationship. Actually, we can treat at another side as the base. For example, if we look here, if this side is the base, the corresponding height will be this one. And we can also look at the opposite side here. Then the corresponding height will change like this. Let's see how to find the area of triangle on a rectangular coordinates plane. In these questions, we need to find the area of triangle ABC. In the previous video, we have learned how to find the distance of a horizontal line or vertical line. That's why we should choose a horizontal line or vertical line first in this figure. So obviously, CB is the horizontal line. So we treat this one as the base, and then we need to mark the corresponding height, which is this one, the green line. Now we create one more point, which is the intersections of the height and base. We need to give a label for it. Just choose an alphabet which doesn't use it in this figure. For example, I use D. So AD is the height of this triangle. That's why we just read these two data to complete the calculation. Since there are some grid lines, it is easy to find the distance of CB, which is 5 minus -3, 8, and then the height is 4 minus 1, 3. After calculation, the area of ABC is 12. And the units for this area is square units. Remember, don't use cm square, meter square, something like that. In the rectangular coordinates plane, we will use square units to represent area. Now, how about if we remove the grid line? Can you still find the area of JKL? So, we still need to stick to this one. Can we find any vertical line or horizontal line here? So, by looking at the coordinates, we know that JK is the vertical line because their x coordinates are the same. So, we better treat this one as the base of the triangle. And the corresponding height will be this one. Now we mark the intersection here, create the one more point here, label it as H. So the area of JKL is the base JK times the height HL. Now we need to fill in the data. It is easy to find the distance of JK because we just simply need to use 10 minus 1, which is 9 units. But it is difficult to find the distance of HL because we don't have the coordinates of H. That's why you have to find it first. So luckily, H lies on the same vertical line of JK. That's why they are having the same x coordinates. And H lying on the same horizontal line with L. That's why they have the same y coordinates. So with this data, we know that H is 3, 4. Now we can find the distance between H and L. The coordinates y are exactly the same. We can ignore it. We just use 12 minus 3 to find the distance, which is 9. After calculation, the answer is 81/2. Remember, you should give the units for it. The units for this area is square units. One more questions. This time we need to find the area of this STU. So by looking at the coordinates, can we find any vertical line or horizontal line? So actually this time there are no vertical line or no horizontal line in this triangle. Then how can we read the data to find the area of triangle STU? Luckily, we have learned one method in primary school, which is called the method of fitting. If we draw a rectangle like this, now we give some names for the corners. We can find the area of triangle STU by finding the area of this rectangle first, and then we minus this triangle SAT, triangle TBU, and triangle UCS away. So after minus these three triangles away, the rest of it is the triangle STU. It is easy to find these three triangles because these three triangles are right-angled triangles. Their sides are horizontal line and vertical line. It is easy to find the area of them. So I think you are able to complete the calculation. Please try to do it. So if you have any problems, feel free to find your teachers. This is the end of my video. Bye bye.